No. Are you gay? Oh no, she was whispering to you as if she was like, hey, you forgot to cheer when they said any LGBT. No. We matched on Hinge. Okay, let's go with this! Okay, no. We matched on Hinge?
Yeah.
Is this your boyfriend?
No.
What's your name? Did we talk?
That's embarrassing.
No, we can chat now. I mean,
Carry on.
I should carry on. How do you think I'm doing so far?
Good.
Good. I'm a Hinge, guys. I don't like the dating apps because they ask you what you're looking for, right? We're looking for short-term, medium-term, long-term kind of. No, that's the feature I'm looking for, which is looking for someone to beat me, choke me, and spit in my mouth whilst calling me a little Asian slut. No one does it quite like Mum. And maybe you. If you want to give me a follow, I'm at Vinny Shoot Comedy. Will you be going on a date with me?